Do you know, Canva introduced an interesting feature which is Canva Doc AI Magic Generator, which is also called Magic Writes, and we need to talk about. Magic Write is basically a new way to think about written documents. Canva really wants to bring the power of visuals to your written documents. So what you need to do next is just click on Start Writing and the new tab will open. Let me show you where to find this beauty of a feature. You see this plus button right here. So click here and first feature you see here is Magic Writes. So I am going to click on that. Let's say for example, write 5 tips to overcome writer's block and press enter, and this will generate your copy in the text that Canva will auto generate for you. So we can write anything, and here it's just give us 5 tips, that is take a break, write anything, change your environment, set small goals and feedback. Now I want to show you another way to assess the magic. Instead of using this plus button, I can just use the slash bar. If I use slash bar, I am calling the same menu. Now let's say, give me 5 ideas for YouTube tutorial and just press enter. It took about 5 seconds and will generate the answer. As you see, it gives us 5 ideas for tutorials. And this is exactly what I asked for, and once again I am very happy about the result. Let's go back, and with Magic Writes, Canva also introduced Canva Doc templates. So if I click on Doc icon and scroll down, if I click on See All, we have 2371 templates right now here. So as you see, there are so many templates you can use according to your work. I am just choosing the simple one. Click on Customize Template and the new tab will open. I want to change its text and I want to replace it with /magic. Let's say write a letter to my mother that I miss her and press enter. It will generate the answer within 5 seconds. And this is the letter that AI generate, and this is so accurate. Now move to the next step. You can write your name here at the end in form of signature. So let me do it. Alright, I think we got the point of how it works. It's actually super simple. Let's talk about the details. So there are 3 things that you need to understand. The first thing is Magic Write is not going in your social media document types, but only if you are in a Canva document, you will have access to Magic Write. Second thing that you need to know is that Magic Write is not at the moment available for the teachers and students in the Canva for education plans. And third thing, it works best in English for now, but that is not to say that is only going to exist in English, because Canva is introducing new language, and I think as of today, they already have the feature working in different languages. Next question is it free or a paid feature? So for free users, you can use only 25 times. Means after you have used this feature 25 times, it would not be available to you anymore. And for paid users, they will get 75 uses per month. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye!